Life now is probably where it was 10 years ago. I can honestly say I have no pain in my hip. I started having pain, and it got to the point where it was uncomfortable to sleep. I decided to seek help. I started with the Detroit Medical Center sports medicine site. I felt like I had partners that were in my corner from day one. And when they realized that I needed to go a little bit further, then I was recommended to the Detroit Medical Center orthopedic surgeon. He came in with a smile, and I knew that that was the guy for me. He already knew what I needed. He just talked to me about how I felt and what I was comfortable with. The course of treatment that was taken was designed for me. I never thought that hip replacement surgeries, that I would be up and walking that soon. I'm back to biking 20 plus miles. I am walking more than 5 or 6 miles. I'm doing a lot of the things I was doing prior to my surgery. I can truly say that it has tremendously helped me. I just wasted a lot of time not getting it done sooner. And everybody's entitled to a pain-free life. I would say seek that help. The DMC is a great place to start.